Hello, welcome back to the channel. Sorry, Mourne again. We're finally back in the Mournes. Slieve Binnian in the background. That's today's challenge. I'm out with Stephen and wee Joey Evers is back finally. I think he was saying he's 4 or 5 months out, holidays and stuff. So get the boots on. Lovely morning so far. It's given for rain showers during the afternoon, but hopefully we'll miss them. So I'll join you up the trail. So today's route is a bit of a lesser tracked Slieve Binnian. Behind me, you've got the south tour over to the east top, where we're going to do a bit of exploring today, hopefully, and drop into Binnian Lough. We've never been up around this part of the Slieve Binnian, so should be a bit of an adventure today. We're just going to follow, there's a wall up the middle of the south tour and the east top. We're going to follow it up to the stile, across the stile, take it from there. We'll park the car at the Bracknell East Road. So only a couple of spaces. If it's full, just use the Carrick Little car park. You should get parked up there somewhere. And then we're just following the track up here. Seems to be a bit of a, maybe a mile or so walk that we're going to start to climb. We Joe's only out today, first time in a couple of months like I say, and he's powered on already. Cheers for that one, Joe. He's way on up there with Stephen. Wee Binnian, all its glory. Cracking wee hike, so it is. If you're just out to kill a couple of hours, well worth doing. Lovely sort of craggy top, plenty of exploring. Then of course you could drop down and head up Slieve Binnian itself. Stephen and myself done that about a year ago maybe. I'll put a link up here for you if you want to watch it. I'm out in, just came to a quarry face here, and then we're just going to follow the track still. I think it's zigzag round. We'll come to a wee waterfall, and then we'll hit the wall itself and follow up. Nice path, so it was easy walking. No climbing as such yet. The top is still clouded. There is fluffy white cloud coming in. Hopefully it stays over and around Eagle, I think it is over there, so I'll keep motoring on. Down below me is the Crosswater River, and then you can see the wall snaking the whole way up to the top. To my left is the east top. Over to the right, I can see the south tours. Joe, as Kim said, we're over 440 metres already, and we're only going 46 minutes. So it's a pretty, I'm not going to say easy hike so far, but it could be the easiest way up Slieve Binnian maybe. The shortest in distance, maybe shortest time-wise as well. Happy days. Everybody's enjoying themselves. That's us at the stile. Just crossing over. To my left is the summit of Slieve Binnian. I reckon about 80 more metres to the top. 15 minutes, not even probably. Behind me is the east top, where we'll drop down to soon enough. Unfortunately, the summit is in the clag, so I'm not sure what views we'll get. We'll take a bite to eat if we can get a spot where there's no wind. Again, I'll catch these two up. As soon as you come through that gap, you're bait, wind, down in the Silent Valley. Not much of a view. Try to find a wee windbreak here. Unfortunately, no views today at the top of Slieve Binnian. Found a shelter spot for a wee bite to eat. I have an army ration pack here. Chili beans, pasta, solid. We'll give it a go. It says it can be eaten cold. I'm not too sure. I'll tell you in about 15 minutes time. Great hike up, just talking there. It was 90, just over 90 minutes, under 2 mile. Good pull, nearly stale. Love that one. Definitely do that route again for Slieve Binnian. I'll go get something to eat. As per usual, you drop about 15-20 metres, the wind just cuts out, so let me see, spin you around. We're going to follow the wall, past the stile, then there'll be a next wall. It'll cut across the Binnian Lough and then come back up and hit the east top, sorry. So, check in soon. We've dropped 250 metres from the summit of Binnian. We're just going to follow this wall. I'm not too sure if the GoPro will pick it up. There's another wall that goes up. We're going to cross it and just sort of skirt round the side this wee bit. And it should bring us to Binnian Lough. Maybe 15 minutes from here. We'll take it from there. 2 hours 20 minutes so far, just over 2.5 miles. Good morning out, sun's come out. If we sat about for another 10-15 minutes at the top of Binnian, we might have got some views, but we're not here for the summit of Binnian, we're here for Binnian Lough on the east top. There it is, Binnian Lough. Lovely. There's a nice wee ripple coming off it today. Strong gusts. I think that's the north tour of Binnian above it. And then over to the right, Slieve Binnian again. Straight ahead, if you can see me in the shadow point, Slieve Binnian. That's one of the main reasons we've came this way today. Haven't seen many videos about it, but we'll take a wee track down it. Not going to waste too much time around here. Not bad. Would it come back again? Probably not. Unless I'd done it from Carrick Little. Just followed the wall up and then came over and then dropped back down to Carrick Little. Be a small enough hike, but it's very swampy. That's to be expected in the loch, obviously. But you do get a good view of the tors of Binnians. Just going to head back to the wall now. Follow the wall and then across the stile and then up the east top. let's go. Whew. Bit of a steep climb. We're just going to try to flip me, pick up the wall, like I said, and cut across Slieve's top. Pouring on, lads, aye?
You're pouring on.
We're not going to go to the join in the wall. We're just, there's a bit of a track here. That'll take us, hopefully, close enough to the stile. And then in the distance is the east tour, or the east top, sorry. So, that'll be half an hour from here. And then it's just straight down to the car. Catches over there, but well, it was a good pull. I'm sure you heard the boys say there. It's tight in the legs, but great stuff. Sherpa's final or famous last words. This should be easy. It does look pretty well tracked out, flat enough to the top, but sometimes with him it's never easy. He likes to take the hard way, but we're near there. Woo-hoo. Magic up here in the distance of Slieve Foy, down in the Mourne of Hay. If you come a wee bit closer, you have Knock Cree out towards the Irish Sea, obviously. On a long wood, Slieve Donard, Slieve Cometa, Mayday. That's what we've come up here for today. This one, on our way down the distance, down the trail, is where we just parked the car. Take a wee look about, and then we'll hit the trail again. Just going to end this week's video here. What a backdrop that is. We've got Slieve Binnian right behind me, the east top, over to Wee Binnian. That was 4 hours 30 minutes, 5.25 mile. Cracking morning out, lovely. Got down into Binnian Lough, nice enough. Probably a wee bit critical on it, but it is what it is. Good to see wee Joe back out again. Hopefully he'll be back out more now, coming into the wintry months when the camping's going to be over soon enough. But always nice to get out. I'll see you all next week, hopefully.